Revolutionary talk for revolutionary times. Promoting peace, liberty, and prosperity around the clock. LibertyTalk.fm.
Welcome to Living the Solution with Dr. Elena George. Today we have an important show, one I think, again, that's very timely. We're hearing lots of things about our economy, and they seem to be at odds. Some people are saying that it's going gangbusters, it's growing, we're going we're going into recession. This reminds me a lot of our healthcare system, where they just seem to change the definition on things. They change the definition on pandemic, they change the definition on vaccines. And I feel the same thing may be happening with our economy. So today we wanted to have somebody on who can speak to this, and somebody who has written about this and can speak to it that we all, in a way that we all can understand. And today I want to welcome Mr. John Green. He's a political refugee from Minnesota, now residing in Frio, Idaho. He's a graduate of Purdue University, and he spent 40 years doing product development, quality assurance,